Hey there, YouTube. I'm going to be making a subwoofer video. That's what I'm going to start doing a little bit more, because I'm fascinated with the world of car audio. But these here are some subs that I picked up for cheap. I bought these subs and a box all for 45 bucks. I mean, they look ratty, but they're actually not that bad. It's by a company that I don't know too well, but if any of you guys really know it, then it's called Lanzar. American made, apparently, so you gotta know that, you know, they're good quality shit. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I've never heard of them before. These are 10s. Not that bad. They're pretty cool. They're pretty big around on the width out like that, so it's kind of, you have to like, you have to fix your boxes, the prefabricated holes, so that, you know, it'll actually fit, because these things are really huge. And then the terminals on two sides, kind of think that's kind of stupid, since, you know, you got to use more wire that way. This is basically what it looks like. The little logo, Lanzar, American Crafted Performance. Apparently this is the DC Professional Series, so I'm guessing these are pretty tough shit. I mean, I've never really heard of them before, but yeah. I have them hooked up to my brother's little system thingy, not my car, because I mean, I have other stuff in my car and I don't want to really mess with that. I'll probably have a video of that later, but I just wanted to, you know, show some of this stuff, so let's go ahead and see how this works. Alright, the song is going to be Bass I Love You. That song has been known to be really fucking bassy. So I have one hooked up right now, so let's see what's going on here. Gotta find the damn song. Alright. Alright, here we go. Well, that's a little review number one, you know. Not bad subs. I mean, if you can find these anywhere, I mean, they look old, so if you can find them anywhere, honestly, these things rock pretty good. I mean, they start clipping around around level like 21 though. But this isn't exactly a good system to have it on. Plus, it's free air anyway, so I mean, but they're pretty good. They were rated 700 watts peak, 250 watts RMS. That's not bad compared to some other subs. I don't know if you can find these anywhere though. I mean, if you can find them, shit, I'd get them. Alright, I'm out.